Hi guys, this is just a video on kind of a kit that I have assembled for our dogs in case of small injuries or missteps and basic care. So I'd like to preface this by saying I am in no way in the medical field for dogs. This is just what I have found as a dog trainer, a fosterer, and a dog mom of many dogs, what I tend to use the most. First and foremost, I highly recommend inflatable cones for if your dog ever needs surgery or if they have a spot that they're not supposed to be licking. I love these so much. They are so much more comfortable than those massive plastic cones. They're a lot more comfortable for you. They're a lot more comfortable for your dog. Mine actually use them as pillows when they have to use them. We have a dewormer. This is great because we tend to get a lot of foster dogs. We don't know where they've been, so putting them on a little dewormer is helpful. We do have a couple of different at-home infection tests or health tests. This just gives us a good kind of baseline for where our dogs are. But obviously, if I'm noticing an issue, I will take them to the vet. We have quite a few dogs with skin issues, itchiness, scratchiness, dry skin. So we use a moisturizing balm. In no way am I recommending these specific products. This just happens to be what I have. We also have a foot balm, so in case your dog's paws get particularly rough. We personally generally tend to let our dog's paws be rough because we do allow stuff with them outside, but if it looks like they're getting a little too dry and cracked, we'll add some moisturizer. Pill pockets or cheese, whatever your dog will eat pills in, we recommend having those on hand. We also always have a conditioner or a shampoo for our dogs. Having a medicated one, again, if you are also taking in fosters, isn't a bad idea either. Some type of bandage is great. We have CBD drops for our dogs. For some dogs, it does help with anxiety, calming them down. For some dogs, it can also help with pain. But the science is kind of out on that, so use with caution, obviously. This one's probably the one that we use the most. A little bit of wound and skincare, so if our dogs get a scrape, we just clean it up, make sure that it's all set. You can pair that with the antibacterial powder, just making sure that it's not getting infected. I'm not using this for massive wounds, anything that should get stitches, but sometimes, you know, dogs get little scrapes and cuts, especially with our big backyard out there. I also like having eye wash and ear wipes for dogs. It's just nice to have. As is some aspirin. We have some dogs who have just long-term issues such as luxating patella. They got surgery for it, and one of our boys has some metal in his leg, so sometimes he gets a little bit stiff. We confirmed with his vet that it's okay to give this to him when he needs it. We also have an assortment of supplements, so allergy relief pills. We have glucosamine and chondroitin for our senior dogs. All of our dogs get fish oil once a day. So I highly recommend having those things on hand as a little bit of a preventative and to keep your dogs comfortable. Another one that we like to use a lot is enzymes and probiotics. Just can help your dogs feel a little bit more comfortable. We do a lot of tooth care. So this one is a spray-on tooth care. I also have a descaler so I can actually scrape the plaque off of my dog's teeth. I am personally bad with brushing my dog's teeth every day. I just don't even try and do it with everything else that we do. But I do make sure that they have some type of tooth care and they are trained so that I can look inside their mouth if I need to, just so I can check on their teeth and make sure that nothing is broken or rotting or any other issues. Another helpful one that hopefully you don't need to use a whole heck of a lot is an anti-diarrhea liquid. Just good in case your dog has a little bit of runny poops. And again, our dogs also tend to have some type of grass allergies, so we like to have hot spot and itch relief on us, particularly because pit bulls are very prone to allergies, and that's what we have a lot of around here. So I hope that helps. This is, again, just what we tend to have, and it is in no way medical advice or recommendations. It's just what I have found to be helpful with my own crew. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.